Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be talking about AWS X-Ray, and mostly we'll be discussing theory as well as we'll be looking into the graphs and maps that has been generated in X-Ray. So when we use this particular app, so as you can see in the screen, we have created this particular app, and whatever operations that you do here, it will generate some logs and graphs that we'll be just looking in a minute. So I'll just let me create some random and sample, create, play. So like whatever, like you're doing some specific operations here, so you can generate logs. So go to this game, just view the traces. There you go. So we have got some traces out of the game that we have just played. And if you can see here, there are two different nodes. So we have traces and trace. So coming to the like definition of X-ray, AWS X-Ray is a service that enables developer to trace, analyze, and debug distributed applications in AWS Cloud. So it provides insights into the performance of applications by creating traces that represent the journey of the request through various components. So developers can use this X-ray to identify bottlenecks, troubleshoot issues, and optimize the overall performance of their distributed system. So that is what the definition of X-ray is according to the docs. So as you can see, we have traces here, traces, and so coming to the definition of the traces, traces represents the journey of the request through a distributed system. So traces consist of segments, each representing a specific operation within a component. So they help developers to analyze and debug these distributed applications by providing insights into their performance and identifying the issues. So traces include a unique trace ID, segments, and subsegments for detailed information. So let's click the ID that has been generated. And here you can see, so we didn't perform that much operation. So like this is what it has been generated. And here you can see we have a segment timeline. So coming to the definition of the segment timeline, a segment timeline is a visual representation of chronological order of segments with a trace, and it shows when each segment starts and ends, providing a quick overview of timing and duration of various operations in distributed systems. So this timeline helps developers to identify bottlenecks and analyze the performance of their application. So these are all the definitions according to the documentation that I just read. So this is what the X-ray traces are, and you can see we have generated more here. So you can select a specific node and look into it, like what exactly it has generated and so on. So you see we have other logs generated as well. So you can click specific log and look into the operations like the segment timeline and the operations that it has been performed accordingly. So that is what it is. And if you go back to the traces and trace map, you can see the map, and you can select a specific node and look into it, its metrics, alerts, and response time distribution. So that is how we can look deeper into these logs that has been generated based on the operations that you have performed. So just wanted to show you this, and we'll be going much deeper in the further videos. For this specific video, I just wanted to show you the maps, and I hope you have understood the concept of just a glance of like what exactly the X-ray is. So I also written a blog related to this particular X-ray, and we also have an Instagram channel where we have posted what X-rays and their components. So do watch them out. I'll be keeping them in the description for your reference. And coming to this video, I hope everyone has understood the concept, and thank you.